Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am gonna prepare chicken biryani. There are several versions and several ways of making chicken biryani, but today I am making in my own way, which is super delicious, easy and quick. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. In order to marinate the chicken, take a large bowl and 300 grams of chicken in it. Put 2 to 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Then add Greek yogurt. To make the biryani bit juicy, I have taken 400 grams of yogurt for 300 grams of chicken. Then add 2 slitted green chilies, Kashmiri chili powder to get the nice color, and then add turmeric powder, coriander powder, chicken masala, some garam masala and cumin powder. Then add washed and chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Lastly, add ginger garlic paste and salt according to your taste, and again mix it well. Keep it aside for 20 to 30 minutes so that the yogurt mixture is properly absorbed by the chicken. Let's start making the rice, for which I am going to take water along with a little bit of oil and add in some salt into it. I will wait for the water to boil. Now the water is boiled, so I have taken washed and soaked long grain basmati rice. I soaked it around 15 to 20 minutes. I added the rice. Give it a light stir and keep cooking for another 5 to 10 minutes, as the rice should be cooked around 90%. Now it's cooked, so I am going to drain this rice. Turn the flame to medium and place a pan on it. Then add some oil into it. Once the oil heat enough, add some whole garam masala. Once they begin to splutter, add about 3 sliced onion in it. Spread the onions till they turn into a nice golden color. Now add some fried onion as well. These fried onions are readily available in any of the supermarkets. Then mix it. Add previously marinated chicken. Make sure to keep stirring during the entire process, else the chicken might stick to the bottom, eventually ending up burnt. You can add little water if you find the consistency too thick. But once you add water, don't forget to cook it well. I have added some water into it and cooked it properly till the chicken pieces are soft enough. It's time to layering the rice and chicken. In this process, I have added some fried onion, mint and coriander leaves and some pure ghee. Now place some chicken with gravy in the pan and keep the rest aside until required. Then add a layer of boiled rice. Then on top of that, add fried onion, mint and coriander leaves and some ghee. Repeat the process with same mentioned ingredients. Lastly, cover the lid. Turn the flame to low medium and let the rice cook for about 5 minutes. Once done, put it off and let the biryani stay covered for about another 10 minutes. Serve hot along with raita or as per your choice.